How to fix Facebook Messenger logout problem in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you want to do on this page is very simple. Wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger right here. When you find it, click on it like this and then click on force stop. After that, go to the storage, click on it, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and now all what you want to do next is click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back and click on data usage and do the same thing right here. Enable all these options. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching until the end.